Welcome guys to YouTube channel Numeric Galaxy, in which we are discussing about the triangles of standard 9, and we are going to discuss here the fourth question. In the given figure, median AD of triangle ABC is produced if BL and CM are perpendicular drawn to AD and AD produced. Prove that BL is equal to CM, and this is diagram is also given. So we come to the question, what is given here in this question. AD is the median, so it means that BD is equal to DC. So given, first of all you will have to write what is given. In triangle ABC, AD is median. This is given. Okay, and this is only given. And what is to prove? To prove BL is equal to CM. You have to prove. Okay. Now, construction, no need to construction, because BL is already mentioned in the question and CM is already mentioned in the question. So no need of further any extra construction. AD is produced, it is also mentioned in the question. So we will go to proof. In triangle BLD and triangle BLD CMD. First thing, BD is equal to DC. You will have to mention the reason. Median AD bisects BC. Second, angle BLD is equal to angle CMD is equal to 90 degree, and it is given. Already it is given. Third, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle BDL is equal to angle CDM. What is reason? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so what happened then? From these three uh, results, you can declare that triangle BLD. So triangle BLD is congruent to triangle CMD, is congruent to triangle CMD. So in which criteria it is congruent? So you see here, one angle, and one side. So it is by AAS. It is congruent. So hence BL is equal to CPCT truth. It is truth. Recap guys very carefully. Okay.